What's up, online shoppers? Traveling just got a lot easier because of this really amazing carry-on luggage backpack that is TSA approved and 40 liters big with all kinds of extras inside. Let's open it up. This is a beautiful backpack, and can we talk about how pretty the color is? This is green, but another really cool thing about this backpack is it comes in a ton of different colors. You can get it in black, blue, pink, camo, and also gray. So many colors to choose from. So this is a travel backpack. It has a lot of really thoughtful features, including this hook here that will go over top of your carry-on luggage if you want to. Now this zipper at the back, when you open it up, gives you access to, look at this, your pack sack straps. They will clip in just down here, but if you're not a pack sack kind of a person, it also has a really convenient carry handle right here. If you don't want your pack sack straps to get in the way, you just tuck them in here and zip this all up, and it is just a carry bag, which is pretty cool. I absolutely love the brown leather trim, a very, very classic touch. Now this has a couple of different compartments. There's a zip compartment here for sliding in some of your valuables. There is an outside zippered section right here. So double zippers, we're just gonna open this up. This is gonna open up almost flat like this. It's got space in here for you to store ID, maybe your passport. You can also use this spot here to put a laptop. It's got a nice padded sleeve and also the security strap to hold it in place. I really like that. But now let's get to the luggage part of it. This zipper has the built-in toggle here that you can put one of the luggage locks on, so you can actually keep this locked so nobody can get into it. Let's open it up. This zips all the way around like this. And now you can get into your bag here, and look at this. They give you travel cubes for packing all your luggage. If we look inside the bag, we see that there are straps for securing your clothes in place, and you can even put your power supply into your bag and then connect it to whatever needs to be powered with a nice little power cord that also will connect right here on the outside of your bag. That is genius. A lot of times travel luggage has to fit a certain requirement, so this bag has built-in compression zippers, and they start here. So we're going to zip this way, this way, this way, all the way around like this, because you can actually get all of this space for packing. But once you have your bag packed, you can do up your exterior zipper. So we're going to do up the exterior zipper here like this. Now it's completely done up. I can put some pressure on the bag, and now I can take this zipper here and I can zip all the way around this way to compress the contents of the bag even further after I've pushed on it. So I can actually pack a lot of stuff in here. They give you these little security clips here as well that have adjustable lengths so that you can also secure your luggage even tighter like this, and by adjusting this strap that's right here. So on this side, you even have the option to put a water bottle, which is really convenient. The back has some really nice padding and mesh that is breathable so that when you're wearing it, you don't get overheated. But this is just a really awesome bag. And we haven't even talked about the travel cubes yet. So inside of this bag, you also get a set of travel cubes, which help you to keep your clothing organized in your luggage. So you undo this. It's also got the really nice leather trim. So you have this 2 packing cubes. We'll unzip this one again. What else do we got in here? We also in here have another small packing cube, and this is a shoe bag so that you can even put your shoes in and not have to worry about getting your clothes dirty because your shoes might be a little bit dirty. So you get 3 packing cubes and a shoe bag that can help you to organize all the clothes you pack in the bag. And that is really awesome. I purchased one like this for my son in black, and because he loved it so much, I knew we had to get it for everybody in our family. And the cool thing is there's so many different color choices. I got green for my niece, blue for my other son, gray for my husband, pink for me. So many color choices. Everybody's got their own bag, all keeps it straight, and the packing cubes inside. This thing is genius. Now, as far as wearability, super comfortable. Straps are very adjustable, and as I said before, at the back there's this little strap. So if you have one of those rolling luggages with a handle, this will sit right over top of that rolling luggage and secure it in place, so you don't have to worry about having all kinds of luggage luggage in hand, this will clip right onto your rolling luggage super conveniently. If you're looking for a really great luggage that can be a carry-on on a plane, this one here has 4 travel packing cubes, as well as this really nice compressible backpack with optional backpack straps, optional handle, these really great clasps, and allows you to pack a ton of stuff. It is definitely a family favorite at my house.